Hey everybody, today I'm showing you how I got this gorgeous curly look with only 2 ingredients, girl. So let me go ahead and show you guys this unit. I always get so happy when I pull out the hair, but holla, because I got to show you guys, it's a drawstring. Yes, I know, girl, calm down. Okay, so I want to show you the construction. Okay, so you see how smooth that is? I'm telling you, you can get this as close as possible to your part, and you need like a sliver, okay? 2 teaspoons of leave out. This is actually a thinner V-part than the previous versions. So on the underside of the V-part, you can actually see these tiny slivers of tracks, and those actually contribute to the coverage. So you are good, girl. You flip your hair, the wind blows or something, you good. I know you see those combs. So let's go ahead and remove that connecting fabric so I can go ahead and begin the installation. Now in the previous version, I believe they had 4 wig clips. This one replaced those 2 wig clips with 2 thin combs, right? Okay, so that curve is gonna be flat. Here's a nice overall view of the inside of the cap. Those are the wig clips that I talked about. There are 2 combs on each temple. You got your adjustable elastic band that's removable on the inside of the cap, as well as that nape comb that brings it all together. You can see that anti-slip silicone grip, and it's all around the perimeter of the base, and the drawstring to lock it all in. Pull the drawstring, cinch it, you see this little locking mechanism, bring that down, boom. It's locked, girl. That is staying on your head. I know, come on, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my elastic band, but listen. So these wig clips are the bad man pajamas, all right? These are the ones that are gonna grip. So you gotta pop them open like that. So I'm just checking to see how I'm gonna engineer this situation. All right, I try to hook you up with the close-up. So I'm gauging that small comb in the front, and then I'm clicking that wig clip close onto my hair. Clip this leave out the way, do the exact same on the other side. Clamp that wig clip shut, gently place that comb on the very edge. So with the V-part installed, you can see just how little hair you need to leave out. You see how flat that is? I could have gone even lighter than this, but my hair is deceitful, okay? It's a whole lie, because as soon as I press this out, you're gonna see how flat that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and engage those temple combs on either side. So I'm pulling the drawstring, I locked it in, I tucked it under. Girl, I felt like this whole unit was gripping my head. It was hugging my scalp. Y'all, I was shook. That mess was on. I stopped myself because I was this close from showing y'all how locked in it was on my head. Baby, just know that you are taken care of, okay? You are secure. So this is what the back looks like if you want to wear your hair up. But when I felt that grip, I was like, okay, now I'm ready to style because I want to see what this looks like. So I was still kind of confused about how I was going to have my leave out blend, but girl, this wig is on. I should leave it alone. So I figured I'd deal with it later. I clip my own hair up. What I really want to do is I want to bring these curls out, because sometimes when you get a curling unit, you don't really know what you're going to end up with until you start styling it. So this is what the curls look like when they're fresh out of the bag, but I'm going to bring them to life with some water and my favorite mousse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and detangle section by section, add my mousse, and then I'm going to diffuse it.
The time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still? Well, I still cry.
I use a modified Denman brush to define my curls. After a couple of minutes of diffusing, you can see the difference.
Well, you'll never know. You took this path.
Before, after. If you haven't tried diffusing your curling unit, please do. You might unlock all types of mythical magicals in your closet. You have no idea, girl. Bring that curly wig out and get to diffusing, because you might be pleasantly surprised. So yes, this is a process, but guess what? I completely forgot that the latest season of Big Brother was out. I love me some Big Brother. I don't know what it is about Survivor and Big Brother, but I will do a whole watch party starting from the first season. So that's what I was watching when I was doing my hair, girl. Another thing with diffusing curly units, it gets bigger the more you manipulate it, so I'm doing my best to make sure that I don't frizz it up. So now let's get into how I make this blend. This actually turned out perfectly. Listen, I have 4A hair, my curls are not this big. So we're gonna do a little manipulation. I got my thermal heat protectant. I'm using this silkening mist that I got off the TikTok shop. I love it, it smells so good. So I figured I'm gonna press my hair out, curl it, and then use these rods. I had the perfect curling iron with the perfect diameter. It all worked out. I left those perm rods in until my hair cooled, and now I'm ready to take them down. A little luster's on my hands to make this takedown easier and prevent frizz, and that's it, y'all. I was scared, girl. I didn't know how this was gonna turn out. Knocked myself in the face. But that blend was perfect. Look at it. Y'all can't tell me nothing.
Just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just Thanks for sticking with you.
I got a little cute with my baby hairs, tied the whole look together.
I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell.
Baby, that's a sew-in. Look like I flip over, don't it? Best part about a Vpart, so natural looking. Here's a little shot of the back. You see that movement? I went back in, did a little strategic touch-ups on certain curls.
Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, so I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul.
And honey, look at this close-up. That looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Now tell me where my hair ends and the wig begins, okay? Quickly.
Down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope.
So that's it, y'all. That's how I blended my hair with this gorgeous Vpart. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for always keeping the technology fresh with these units. I'm gonna do my little glamour shot to give you some 360s so you guys can see this hair in different styles. Now we moving into hurricane season, y'all. Is the humidity making you fight for your life too? For your healthy hair journey goals, those of you who are on one, would you prefer sew-in, Vparts, or wigs? Or do you just wear your hair natural? Let me know in the comments. As always, I love you guys. I will talk to y'all later. Y'all stay safe. Take care.